In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow Templates, easiest way, 2026 guide. Let's jump right in by starting from your Webflow dashboard. This is your home base where all of your sites live. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the main projects view so you can quickly spin up something new. If you're brand new, don't worry. Everything we do today is visual and straightforward. Next, look for the New Site button. It's typically at the top right of your dashboard. Clicking this opens the creation flow for a brand new project. Think of this as choosing the foundation for your site. You can always customize everything later, so don't stress about making it perfect at this stage. When the creation window opens, switch to the template option. This is where Webflow showcases professionally designed starting points. Templates save you hours by giving you a polished structure, complete layouts, and a style system you can edit to match your brand. You'll see a variety of categories and styles here, from simple landing pages to portfolio sites and multi-page business themes. Now browse for the template that matches your needs. Use search and filters to narrow things down by category or features. Open the template details to review the page list, the style guide, and whether the template uses CMS or e-commerce features. Preview the live demo to click around and test the navigation sections and responsiveness. Pay attention to typography and spacing. These are easier to adapt if they're already close to your brand's look and feel. Choose the template that best aligns with your content structure, rather than just the visuals, because colors and fonts are simple to change later. Once your template is created, you'll land in the designer, where you can customize however you want. Start by updating text, images, and logos so the site reflects your content. Head to the style guide page, if included, to quickly set global colors and typography, which will cascade across the site. Edit components like the navbar and footer so changes apply consistently. Use the Assets panel to replace images and keep file sizes reasonable for faster loading. If your template includes CMS collections, open the CMS panel to adjust fields and update collection items, then confirm that dynamic content flows correctly across pages. Check animations and interactions to ensure they support your message and feel smooth on mobile. Finally, review your site at different breakpoints to fine-tune spacing and font sizes for tablets and phones. And that's it. You've taken a template, tailored it to your brand, and streamlined your build. Congratulations.